back to RaptorKid143, and today we're going to be working on 05 Raptor again, and this is quite simple. We're going to be changing the oil, so we're going to need a bucket, and then some 4-stroke oil, and then a ratchet. And sometimes I use this to put over it to get some more leverage on it, and this is just going to be quite simple, and the reason why we need the bucket is to collect the oil in it. Got it. So what we're going to do is move this over, grab our 17 size in ratchet, and then we're going to move this over because you don't want it to pour right in. So what we're going to do is put your ratchet, sometimes it's kind of hard to get on, but there it goes, and you don't want to put it too tight. You don't want to undo it so much because then it will just all drip out. So just do it a little bit and then put the bucket, and then you can undo it with your finger. And if the bolt gets stuck in here, that's fine. You can fish that out later. So let's get this started. Now we're going to put this back on. Because I don't want the oil to get on me. And the reason why my dad isn't talking is, okay, there it goes. Okay. So there we go. We got the oil. It's real dirty. And we got the bolt in there, but we can fish that out later. We're going to lower our jack. So you want to lower because you want to get all of that oil out, because you don't want to just sitting up there in the pan. It looks like we're all about done. It's dripping. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this to the front, and what I like to do is put a rag under here just in case to catch that extra oil. I don't want to pollute the earth. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this out. Okay, everybody, it looks like we're about done. So I'm going to kind of all the threads, clean off the front right here, and then I think that's good enough. But now what I'm going to do is what I like to do. I'm just going to give it a once over to make sure it's all that's off. Put our bolt back on the crankcase, and to make sure, we're just going to put it really on. So I'm going to finger tighten this first, just to make sure, and then we're gonna get our ratchet, put it right to tight, and nope. So now
this is when it's almost
tighter. You want to get it real tight, but make sure you don't get it really tight, because then it will. Okay, so now we're gonna organize our thing, because you don't want to have a messy area when you do this, because then you might hurt yourself. So, and it takes a whole quart of oil for this. So I'm going to untighten this. And why we need a funnel is bone dry. Bone dry. Put the funnel in. Then I'm going to give it a whole quart of oil. So I'm going to pour this in and to make sure.
Alright, that should be good for now.
So my dad's helping me with the oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a little coat around here, so when we put it on this, because there might be any corrosion or crust on there, you don't want that to be on there. And now, tighten this up, take this out again to make sure there's oil on the dipstick. It does. One more time. And make sure not to use any tools, because just finger tighten it. Okay, so now I think we're pretty much ready. And what I'm going to do is put this in neutral, put it on one, put it on, and then what we're going to do is we're going to push down on this.
You need choke, it's cold.
Yeah, we need choke. It's pretty cold out here. So.